Welcome to SKB Diary. The Ecolog 580 harvester is a machine that's built to redefine what we think a forest machine can do. With its powerful engine, precision handling, and state-of-the-art technology, it's like the superhero of the forestry world. Imagine navigating through dense woods, effortlessly harvesting trees with the 580's robust crane, all while ensuring minimal environmental impact. This harvester combines strength and intelligence thanks to its optimized hydraulics and advanced software that help the operator maximize productivity without straining the machine or the environment. It's not just a tool, it's an eco-friendly workhorse designed to balance nature and technology. The Ponce Airgo 8 watts harvester is a true marvel of modern forestry engineering, designed for both power and precision in even the toughest terrains. With its 8 wheels, the Airgo 8 watts provides unmatched stability and maneuverability, making it a reliable partner for navigating rugged landscapes. But what sets it apart is its ergonomic design that doesn't just cater to the forest, but to the operator as well. The spacious cabin offers comfort and visibility, while the advanced control systems give the operator full command over every cut and movement. Its powerful crane, paired with intelligent automation, ensures precise harvesting, boosting productivity without compromising sustainability. This is a machine that understands the delicate balance between high performance and preserving the natural world. The KOMATSU XT445 L3 feller buncher is a machine that commands respect in the forestry industry. Built to take on the harshest environments, it combines raw power with finesse, allowing operators to cut through dense timber like it's nothing. Its advanced cutting head and hydraulic system work in perfect harmony, delivering strength and speed without sacrificing precision. What makes it truly stand out is its stability, even on the steepest, most uneven slopes, turning seemingly impossible tasks into efficient, smooth operations. Whether it's felling massive trees or navigating rough, unpredictable terrain, the XT445 L3 gives operators the confidence and capability to handle any challenge the forest throws their way. The HSM 405H2 harvester is a shining example of efficiency and durability in forestry work. Known for its compact yet powerful design, this machine excels in both thinning and final harvesting, even in the most challenging conditions. Its precise, agile crane allows for fast and efficient handling of timber, making quick work of even densely packed forests. The 405H2's combination of power and environmental sensitivity means it operates with minimal soil impact, preserving the integrity of the forest floor. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or dealing with uneven terrain, this harvester offers unparalleled control and productivity, proving that size isn't everything, it's about how smartly you use it. The KOMATSU 931.1 harvester is a masterclass in combining brute strength with cutting-edge technology, perfectly tailored for demanding forestry tasks. This machine's powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system make it incredibly efficient at felling and processing trees, even in the most rugged environments. But it's not just about power. What sets the 931.1 apart is its precision. Its innovative crane geometry and highly responsive controls allow operators to work with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and increasing productivity. The spacious, ergonomic cab ensures comfort during long shifts, while the machine's stability on uneven terrain means you can tackle steep slopes with ease. With the 931.1, you're not just harvesting timber, you're doing it with unmatched efficiency and care for the environment. The Kverneland 718E is a game-changer in the world of tree care and urban forestry, bringing versatility and efficiency to tasks that demand both precision and power. This compact yet robust machine is designed for everything from tree trimming to whole tree removals, making it a go-to for urban landscapes and roadside maintenance. Its telescopic boom, with a reach of up to 21 meters, allows operators to work from a safe distance while maintaining total control. The 718's smooth hydraulic functions make handling even the most delicate tasks seem effortless, all while ensuring operator safety and comfort with its elevated 360-degree rotating cab. Whether you're clearing a highway, managing city trees, or maintaining parklands, the Kverneland 718 makes heavy lifting feel light and precise, all while minimizing disruption to the surrounding environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.